Hello guys, welcome back to my another tutorial video on the topic proposition and propositional logic. So first we should have a basic knowledge of proposition and propositional logic. So a proposition is concerned with the statement and propositional logic is concerned with the statement to which the truth table is assigned. So now we are going to learn these topics through Python. For this we have to we are going to import a library named as logic. Now as the library is imported, now we will define three variables through where's function. So as you can see, we have declared we are going to declare three variables. Hence now we will check what is a. So here a is on the screen. We can see that a is proposition and b is also a proposition and c is also a proposition. Now we will create our first formula as formula 1 and it is a or b and not a implies b. So let's check it by Python. So guys, here we have got our first formula and now we will print the respective truth table for it. So for getting truth table we have a method called truth table. As you can see, we have all the cells of last columns having truth of our truth table. So the result shows that our formula is true. And now we have got concept that if a proposition is true, then it is also a tautology. So to check a tautology, we have a method called isTautology. So let's check it that if it is a tautology or not. Since we have got true for formula 1, hence it is a tautology. Now we will create our second formula named as formula 2, and it means that A and B implies C. Now we will create it. Hence we have our formula 2. Now we will create another formula named as formula 3, named as A implies B implies C. Now let's check the tautology and contingency for formula 2 and 3. So for formula 2 tautology is false and for formula 3 tautology is also false. Now let's check the contingency for the formula 2 and 3 by using the method is contingency. So for the formula 2 we got true, which describes that it is a contingency. And similarly, now let's check for formula 3. Here we got true as well as above, hence it is also a contingency. Now let's print the respective truth table for the formula 2 and formula 3 by using the same method as we have done for the formula 1, that is truth table. So it is a truth table for formula 2. Now let's check for formula 3. So we have created a truth table for formula 3 also. Now let's check that A is A and not A is contradiction or not by using the method is contradiction method. Since it is showing true, hence there is a contradiction between A and not A. Now we have to check that formula 2 and formula 3 are equal or not. So here by writing the respective method we check whether they are equal or not. So we have got true. That means formula 2 and formula 3 are equal to each other. Now let's see some other propositions for A and B, A or B, not A, A implies B, and B implies A. So that's all for the video, guys. I hope you have got the clear idea